Hi guys, welcome to week 41 of our trip around Australia. So this week we're in the Eyre Peninsula and we didn't actually have our cameras out that much because we have just been soaking up the amazing weather, incredibly beautiful beaches. Like, I actually cannot believe how blue the water is down here. So we've just been enjoying ourselves, and here's a little recap of some of the rock pools that we chased and just, a little snippet of what we got up to.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too?
All right, that's it for week 41. And next up is the Nullarbor. We are actually just in the parking lot of a grocery store, stocking up on the last minute things that we need, mainly water. And we're about to hit the road and cross the Nullarbor. So check back next week and see how that went.